Welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, ito yung pabaon ko kay Smart Kid. Ang baon niya, nagluto ako ng bagong rice. Ayan. Ayan, nuggets. Ito na nuggets guys is made from vegetables and soya. Vegan nuggets yan. Okay, and here is the papaya. Parang ang sarap ng papaya, ang lambot-lambot. And, ito yung itatry ko kay Ate Shasha. Oh. Ang kagandahan nito guys kasi, yan, low sugar and plus electrolyte. Medyo mahal. Pero sabi ko, kailangan kasi ni Shasha talaga ng health drinks lagi. Vitamin boost. Yan. Kiwi. Kiwi and strawberry, very healthy yan guys. And of course, water. Yan. So, very, very yummy baon for kids today. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button, guys, in order for you to get notified whenever I posted up a new video. Ayun, pang morning talaga, AM, pang baon ng bata, oh. Bye, and thanks for watching. God bless.